CarGuyParadise.com, because girls love guys who love cars.
Right, now if you're watching this, I suspect you may have debated from time to time if old cars are better than the newer models. However, I believe we can all unanimously agree that no one is quite fond of your old, awful-looking t-shirts. They look uncomfortable and are uncomfortable to look at. Simply put, they're rubbish. The good news is you can now go to CarGuyParadise.com, pick yourself up a proper petrolhead t-shirt and enjoy more comfort than the backseat of a full-size American saloon. And take a look at this. They've provided you with a coupon code for free shipping and 10% off, which means you no longer need to publicly embarrass yourself by wearing something a non-car enthusiast would wear. Or as I like to call them, boring people.